Hey there YouTube. Today I'm going to show you one of the simplest ways I use to create my signatures on Photoshop. And this is what we want out of it. So here we go, let's get started. Minimize that. Go to File, New, and open up a canvas with 550 pixels by 150 pixels. And it must be transparent. Before you start, you want at 4 to 5 different renders. One for your background. This is going to be my background. So let me just minimize these. What you want to do is choose the colors that most stand out to you or represent your signature the most. So what I'm going to choose is dark blue because Spider-Man, and Venom, and dark red for Spider-Man. So, and then click the gradient tool and basically make it so it's nice and fluent. It's not that, I think that's fine. And once you finish that and you're happy with it, go back to your background, click this drag tool, drag your render, or shall I say the background you want, and drag it onto your signature. Place it wherever you like, and choose the smudge tool. Before you start smudging, hold CTRL and J to make a copy of that render. Once you've done that, start smudging as much as you can or till you like it how it is. I'm just gonna do it fast here so it doesn't take that much time. Oops. There we go. Once you've done that, you can go to one of your renders. Let me pick this one. And what you want is basically your render should be a bit bigger than the actual way you downloaded it. So here, and you just drag it onto your signature. Well, it has to be over the top layer, so just drag it there. And there we go. And what you want to do is go to Filter, Blur, and go to Radial Blur, sorry. What you want to do, the amount 55, and zoom. In this blur center here, what you want to do is typically make it the angle you want it to blur. So like maybe you want a fading effect or a stretching effect. Whatever you like is fine. But I kind of like it centered, since I like, like wind, kind of cool. But anyways, let's get started again. Okay. And it gives you this effect. You might want to do it again just for more effect. And what you want to do, that same render, you want to resize and make it smaller. So image size 600 right now. Let's change it to 450. Drag that same render right near, like there we go, like there. See how it looks like it's, glowing, or like, like it's fading going inside. And once you've done that, pick your next render, which mine is going to be this. And what I'm going to do is the same thing, but it's going to be much more fader. So I want, again, blur, radial blur, amount 55, and center it this time. I think that's enough. Maybe again. Let's see. Let's go back. Just redo that. Center it. Filter. Blur. Radial blur. Zoom and try and make this perfectly centered. Oops, my bad, sorry. Blur, radial blur. Center. Okay, I think that's fine. Do it again. And your final render. There we go. Do the same thing. Oops. Keep in mind this is a simple way. It's not that advanced. In my next tutorial it will be more advanced, using brushes and sprays and stuff like that. Then I'll drag this once again, just like I did with other Venom. Oops, forgot to resize. Let's change that to about 375. Okay. And there we go. And that's your final product. Thanks for watching.